Chapter 5, Part 4, Translation Exercise. The first one, le chat des amis qui ne sont pas gentils. So we have le chat, the cat, has des amis, some friends. Then you've got qui, so let's try who, ne sont pas. So we've got être, third person plural, negative, are not nice. The cat has some friends who are not nice. Don't we all? Next sentence. Ils ont adoré les souris qui sont amies. So here, they have loved, or they adored. We can use adoré, translate as adore. They adored the mice. Then we've got qui, who are friends. So they love the mice who are friends. So that sounds pretty good. Now notice how ami has an E and an S because it's describing mice, which are plural and feminine. Les souris qui aiment les enfants aiment aussi les chats que les enfants aiment. Uh-oh, we've got a lot of things going on here. The mice, we've got qui, so let's try who, love, and so qui is going to be the subject here. So the mice who love the children. Then we've got M again, but there's no qui in front of it, so it still must be talking about the mice. The mice who love the children love also. So there's mice that love the children. These mice also love les chats, love the cats. Que, okay, now we're saying, well, which cats are they that these children love? Que, indicating that, oh, these cats are going to be the direct object of something. Les enfants aiment. So they love the cats that the children love. So we can translate that. The mice who love the children also love the cats whom the children love. So here we translate qui as who and que as whom. Now that's assuming a personification of the mice and the cats, which is completely acceptable in this class, but in other contexts you might not want to do that. And then you would translate it as the mice that love the children also love the cats that the children love. That would make it, you would have less personification of the animals here. Okay, next one. Le chat qu'adore l'enfant aime la souris. Okay, vocabulary is not difficult. So the cat, now we've got que, meaning, let's try that, but it's in front of a verb, so that means it's going to be the direct object that adores the child. Now, it's not the cat that adores the child because the cat is going to be what is adored. It's a direct object. So that's going to be the cat that the child adores loves the mouse. The cat that the child adores loves the mouse, or if you want to personify the cat whom the child adores loves the mouse. And if you want to be really informal, you can say the cat who the child adores loves the mouse. But that's too informal for this class. Next sentence. Le chat prétend, so this is prétendre, to claim. The cat claims avoir mangé les souris. So avoir mangé, infinitive of the helping verb in the past participle, makes the past infinitive. The cat claims to have eaten the mice. Or we could say the cat claims that he has eaten the mice.